Hey, welcome to ZynHustles TV. Today I will show you how I uploaded my first digital product to Selar just using my phone here. No sales yet, but this is the journey, so let's dive to it. Now I'm gonna tell you, and I'm gonna show you the specific website that I use. So we'll go to my browser here. Go to my browser, and as you can see, we are already there, but now let us just start from the beginning. So the website that I use is called Selar.com. So anybody there who is looking for a site to sell his or her products, digital products, we have a very good website here called Selar. So let's dive in. Yeah, and now this is Selar. So here I'll take you direct to my Selar dashboard. Let me log in. And I've already logged in. As you see, I have 8 products here, but today I just want to show you how I uploaded my product. So I'll take you to my home there. Okay, yeah, at home here. So here, my Selar dashboard, I recently uploaded my first product, and it is an ebook where I used ChatGPT and Canvas. So here, this one was my first product. This one, AI Hustle print. Let's open it. Here, so at first you have to check in to the affiliate network setting. Yeah, then affiliate resources. So this one I had already uploaded this one and converted it into a PDF. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about. Now this one here was my product. As you see, it is the AI Hustle blueprint by ZynHustles. Is your step-by-step build guide to turn ChatGPT into. So this is just uh, a guideline ebook, and as you see here, it is 800 Kenyan shillings, but the initial price is 120. So this is also another easy way to earn as an hustler. Now let me take you through the process of so these are my products. I've already just uploaded 8 of them, but this one here was my first product. Now let me take you through how you can upload. For those beginning like me, you can upload your product. So you just come here to the dashboard. So if you are if you have or you are a first beginner, you have to first to have this website into your phone, like using it to the web, whatever web you use, just go there at the board here you write selar.com, then you link it. After that it will bring you to somewhere here. So here, if you're a Nigerian, you use your US dollars, you're a Ghana, you're a Kenyan, you're everything is here. So after you have created an account, you come here, start selling with Selar. So since I had already logged in, I've already created account, and here is my account. In fact, there are three types of account. We have creator profile, so you are the person who creating. This is a profile, where an account where you are the person who is creating the product. And if you switch here to affiliate, just a minute, here affiliate marketing place, this is now where you are the affiliate. You look for the products and resell. But for me yet, I've not opened it yet because I started recently. So let's go to the process how you can put up your product. So after you have generated your product, or you have a product that you want to sell, it can be an ebook. As long as it is a digital product, it can be a ebook or a guide. You come here, all products, then after you have come here, all product, you add, go to a place that has been written add product, select your digital product, dial next. After that next, it will bring you somewhere here. So this is where now you add your product. And the first thing, your product must have an image. Here you see the product must have a name, and here is where you set your product price. Okay, after setting your product price, give a vivid description about your product. Explain to the buyers or whoever is going to read it, or whoever, what your product entails about. After that, you come to the category. So for example, here under category, maybe your product is talking about health and fitness, wealth and finance, business, marketing, content, medium, love, all of this. You select where your product. So for example, let me say mine is about health and fitness. Subcategory here, maybe you want to talk about weight gain, weight loss, nutrition and health eating, sleep, and you come here and let me say weight loss. So after that, you come to this other part. So if your product has any variation, link, portable variants, like different tires, packages, you can select. But if it's just a package like that, just leave it like that. After that, you come to this part here. This part where it has been written downloadable file or read only, online only. So if you want to put your product to be downloaded, you select there. Or if you want your product to only be read through online, you select that one. After that, now this is where now you are going to add your product. For example, let me see. After that, it will bring you where your products are. Now for example, let's use some of my products here. So for example, I want to add this product. So after taking it, will be downloaded automatically. After that, you press automatic redirect to external URL after purchase. Now this is now a direct website where your people can contact you direct, but if you don't have, you can just leave it. Then you push that word at the corner stating create product. So since here I don't want to create a product yet, we will leave it like that. Now let's go. Now I'll just leave you for now there, but this is just a start. I haven't made a sale yet. As you can see, let me take you back to where my products are. Products, okay, all products. As you can see, I have uploaded products yet, but I still don't have any sales yet, but that is okay. I'm learning how to promote and get traffic. I'll be sharing my full journey here, what works, what doesn't work, what falls, and all of it. Now this is my seller without any sales. As you see, there is no sales yet I've made, and I just started on June 8th, so there is still no sales made yet. So if you are like me, starting the journey with your phone, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to this channel. I'll show you how to grow, promote. Subscribe to this channel here. Subscribe to this channel. I'll show you how to grow, to promote, and eventually earn. Let's hustle together. Check the product link in the descriptions and drop a like if you are also starting. Thank you.